you know, you look at the color palette, and you're like, oh, those are beautiful. I want to make a painting with those colors, but I don't have those colors. A color mixing recipes for oil and acrylic. Like, this is what they look like. And it tells you, if you want to make color 156, 4 specks of white, 1 speck of ultramarine blue, and 1 speck of red rose. Okay, wait a sec, back up. You will need all the following colors for the recipes in this book. 1, 2, 3, 17, 18, 19, 29, 30. I need 30 different paints. I can make 450 color combinations. Let's see how many colors of these I actually have. I have 10. Color psychology, dark colors. I'm painting with a navy blue base today. And it says here, dark colors are considered moody or sometimes even threatening. I'm also going to paint with some very bright colors. You'll see when I put them down on the canvas. Bright colors are usually considered pleasant colors, but if they aren't too bright, they are comfortable to view. Mine are very, very bright. So basically neon green. That would say that the colors that I'm putting with my threatening color are uncomfortable. I hope you're excited. When bright raw colors are placed next to one another, they appear loud, gaudy, and harsh. I'm about to make a threatening, uncomfortable, gaudy piece of artwork. Let's close the book and let's make that ugly piece of art. Oh, and you know what else I'm gonna do? I might just break out the catalyst wedge, because you know what, if it's already gonna be moody, threatening, uncomfortable, and gaudy, why not just add the catalyst wedge to the whole mix and just watch the shit show happen? Anyway, as always, my name is Tiffany Remijn, and welcome to my channel, and I will see you down on the canvas.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. I don't know the reasons, I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, if they ever disappear, I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it.
Hey, and just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications, then you'll know when I post a new video. Thanks again for watching. Ciao for now.
A little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
Note, some acrylic color names will vary depending on the manufacturer. Of course they do. If you saw my last video, I still don't know what ballerina slipper is. Doesn't matter.